What's up, guys? This is JinSam, and today we're gonna study subject plus something. So basically, when I study with you guys, I don't want to use grammatical words. So I just put it here question mark. So anyway, I will explain. Did you guys memorize our subjects here? You remember? What is I? Please tell me. First one, 나. Polite one, 저. Okay, what is you? Okay, no. What's your polite one? 당신. If you watch Korean drama, you can hear so many words like 당신, something, 당신, like that. Like a between like a man and woman. I love you, something like that. Like 당신을 사랑해 or something like that. Anyway, he, 그. Okay, what is the next one? She, 그, 녀. And then they, 그, 들. Next one, 우, 리. So in sentences, we use subject, we put something right behind it. So for example, did you memorize go? Where did you go? I told you it has two, blah blah yo, blah blah da, right? So 가요 and 가다, right? In our daily conversation, we don't use da form. Instead, we use yo form. Okay, so for example, I go, right? And you can make sentence from now on. 나 가요, right? And then of course we can understand if you guys say 나 가요, we can understand 100%, but it doesn't sound natural because we have to put here right behind, we have to use 는. You don't have to understand, just memorize it. So when you memorize I, you just memorize 나는 together. That is better because we just use 나는 all the time. So 저는 all the time. So the best and perfect form of I go is 나 가요. No, 나는 가요. Or polite form, 저는 가요. Understand? So next one is same. 너는 and 당신은. You just memorize it like this. 너는, 당신은, like that. Don't put any grammar here, okay? Just memorize. 너는, you, 너는. Polite one, you, 당신은, like that. Okay, he, 그는. She, 그녀는. They, 그들은. We, 우리는. So memorize just like this, and then the day will come that I have to explain about this grammar. But anyway, if you memorize these today, and then it's really fast to make a sentence. You can make a sentence very easily. So another verb, eat. So what is this in Korean? 먹, yo, and then blah blah da form, 먹, da, right? So I told you in daily conversation we normally use yo. Everything just yo, okay? You can make you eat. 너는 먹어요, right? It's like maybe between friends because we use no. No is like a very natural, very close relationship we can use. And then very polite one. 당신은 먹어요. Okay, next one. He eat. 그는 he, right? And 먹어요. Eat. Next one. 그녀는 먹어요. She eats, right? And next one. 그들은 먹어요. They eat. And 우리는 먹어요. 우리는 먹어요. 우리는 we 먹어요. Eat. So you guys understand this, right? So today the point you have to understand is in Korean subject plus something, and something is here. 나는, 저는, right? I cleaned up